And this thing is fantastic. Not only because, as you can see over here, you can just take it with you on the go with wheels. So that's really convenient for like going camping or hiking or fishing or just going to the beach or just like tailgating, something like that. But also because this one, by the way, this one you can extend it if you want. You can take the whole thing with you with this strap over here. That's gonna be kind of like your shoulder strap. You can take the whole thing with you with wheels and everything, or you can actually unlock it. This one has a lock over here, so whenever you want you can unlock this thing and just take the cooler with you if you want. And by the way, it comes with handles as well, so that is really really convenient to have. And this surface over here is also going to be kind of like a nice dolly, by the way. It comes with this leg that you can see that they are retractable, so if you want to need to take something like heavier, you can do it with this kind of like sort of a dolly, by the way. But let's actually put it back right here and show it to you on a closer look. Okay, so check it out. A few things that I want to show you. First, this is going to be your strap. You can unclip it if you want. You can just remove the whole thing if it is bothering you or something like that. Then right here, you will find kind of like your main pocket. This is going to be your main pocket, super insulated. As you can see, the whole thing is insulated, so it's going to keep your things cold for like all day if you want. But this one, I just put this pack over here, this 12 pack of bottles, just to see how big this one is. But it's going to have room for about 60 cans. 60 cans you can put in here, so that is really really impressive. But as you can see, super insulated, the whole thing, everything is going to keep it super super cool. So we close this one over here, which is going to be again your main compartment, just like this. And right here you're going to find a bottle opener just right here, so that is really cool to have. It is clip, so you can unclip it if you want, but if not, it's always accessible down there. Also another pocket right here, also insulated, just not as the other one, but waterproof and insulated as well. So you have that pocket, and also you have the second pocket, which is gonna be 100% insulated like the other one. So you can put some sandwiches in here, some snacks or something like that. You can put it as well. On the sides, you're gonna find place for kind of like water bottles if you want. You can put it in here. And by the way, it comes with this Velcro straps that you need to secure if you want this to not to move too much. So you have that one over there, and you have the same one over here as well. But I gotta say, this thing, for how much room it has, and comes with kind of like the dolly thing with wheels and perfectly insulated and with the handle and everything, it is just fantastic. For the summer season, this is gonna be a hit. For the beach, I think it's a must-have product, 100%. I super recommend it, and of course, yeah, we may have a few of these ones.